This is actually an Indian inspired dish, and we're gonna be making rice biryani, quinoa. And we're gonna be making a quinoa biryani and also hariyali. So we'll be doing the first part, which is the marination of the chicken, because this actually takes some time to get a really good flavor out of it. Chop up the ingredients. Besides the chilies, we'll be using a bunch of aromatics. Mild curry powder, teaspoon of cumin. Last and not least, tenderizer, which is yogurt. And don't forget to season the marinade. Don't worry if it's a bit chunky, because actually the chunks are really nice. You can actually roast your marinated chicken until it gets really nice and golden brown and caramelized. Actually, you know what? We should add a little bit of oil on top just to get it really crispy. We're gonna get started on the quinoa biryani. So it's very easy, just get about 2 cups of the quinoa. This pot has all the spices, and you just fill it up all the way with water. We're gonna prep the aromatics for the biryani. I don't know what this is called, maybe a grater, and it's a very old school kind. And just grate the garlic, and you want to do the same for the ginger. Okay, so now we're gonna fry the aromatics, all the ingredients that we just cut up just now. The pan that you're using is what you're gonna use to cook the rice, quinoa. So I would recommend you to get like a wide, shallow pan. It's very good to evenly cook the rice, quinoa. So at this point, you want to add a bit more oil because you have to fry off the ginger and garlic paste that we made just now. We have added in the tomatoes, so I'm just going to add a little bit of mirin, just because I like to use mirin. So in this yogurt mixture, you want to season it. And you know, if you like, you can add other vegetables at this point, but we're just using what we have now, and tomatoes will do. Okay, so you can see that the quinoa is pretty dry by now, so we don't have to strain the extra liquid off, so you can just start layering. So it'll be 1 layer of quinoa, 1 layer of the yogurt mixture, and I also added some chopped coriander and mint leaf. For the final layer, I won't be putting any more greens, so you can put it as a garnish. And we're gonna just let it steam for about an hour or so. You know, with Indian food, right, a lot of the spices are really cheap. So you can make this whole meal using just spices and really cheap fruits and vegetables, and just swapping out your carbs for quinoa. You get a really healthy meal as well. Please try it out, and thank you for watching.